This is for my girls, you know, Harriet and Mia. You know? This reminds me of Alicia. Yeah. But I switched that up. Yeah. And now, Babylon with the baby mama wants to switch off the other two now. And the third one left to be born. And this woman said, heaven and drinking. Yeah. The family is going to crash. Yeah. This woman, you know. That's why, as a man, you know, when you're looking at a family or something, there's no drugs, no alcohol, no smoking, yeah, no vices. Yeah, you should be safe. Yeah. If you're going to pick up a donkey or a drug addict or an alcoholic or some scumwag, you don't see scam white. You don't see they're in for trouble. You know? Take it from experience. You know, the words that I talk, yeah, and the lie because they're true. You see, I mean, I'm a man with many experiences like this right now in my song. You know, and it's not the first time I've never got through this. And I say, this is the worst thing she's done so far. You know what I mean? They're followers, they're not that kind of thing. You know what I mean? Wisdom speaks boldness because it's the hardest. You know, see? You know? I had to shake my head because everything now, yeah, I can't trust. You know what I mean? Says one thing in the job, see, because you know, it's popular. Yeah? It's gone. Yeah. Yeah. Then he wants to take revenge, takes out his arrogance, takes out a whole lot of it. But what? Yeah? You can still come through, you know. You know what I mean? But when it's going on like that, yeah, trying to wear you out and trying to please the fucking enemies, yeah, and enemies just abuse you because she says a fucking idiot, yeah, and then she says, idiot, what's me hunting you down for? You know what I mean? Because you're going to claim an idiot, you know what I mean? She was accusing me of all kind of crap and fucking getting screaming and shouting about it. And then coming with all this evil fucking one. You should be other people. Yeah. And you see that. Yeah. And then my power by his team, yeah, you know. And you know, goes up. You know what I mean? She's been dying for 5 years, you know. You know what I mean? If she don't watch herself, you know, she's gonna die with that. Yeah. And the people, yeah, are taking the fucking piss. You know what I said? You know what I mean? Then no one said, well, they don't see how serious this is, you know. You know what I mean? But I see it. When I see you a real there in the hospital, what, you know, fool? Huh? You see now all your end. You don't remember nothing, you know what I mean? You learn the gas anyway, so you might know, you know what I mean? I'm very trying to you, you know. You're disrespecting me, man. Yeah? On purpose. You know, you see him there for you, you're disrespecting me, man. What's that? You know what I mean? I'm black, yeah? I don't know them things there. You know what I mean? Any other pretty tricks that fucking white Europeans have got running around England doing. And that, yeah, is just a symbol of a piece of it. You know what I mean? You run away from